Hi everyone. I made a new plugin called Color Presets where you have 36 presets and a color matchup feature. I'll explain that now. I've also in the alter tools I've updated the window lighting feature. It's now more simpler to use, and I've renamed it to lighting because you can use it on light bulbs as well, not only on windows. And light reflection is obviously the reflection of the light on the ground or whatever. So color presets. So yeah, it's simple. Just click on a preset. You can browse through the presets. I just named it all like preset 1 to 36. Uh, so if you find a favorite or so, I actually want to add names to this, but maybe, you guys can give me some tips on names if you play with it for a while, and you know what works for Twilight and interior. Give it some name or so, and you can send it to me. Um, so okay, so I've used the color preset. I think there's 7. So that's what it does. It kind of kills some of the warmth. You can change the blend mode of this to normal or soft light or whatever. You can play around with it, but I just leave it at on color and 50% full. You can increase the full or decrease. You can kind of like use it for a color correction. So I have now one color preset that I want to use, which is this one. Now I'm going to flatten this. I'm gonna flatten this image, and if I look at, I have like 4 images open here, so it's all the same kitchen but it's different angles. Now I adjusted the color on this one. I used the preset on this one, and now it's not the same as the other, so I need to now match the colors. So I'm gonna go to the one that I like. So I'm gonna use this one, and now if I click on color matchup, it's going to take this color style and put it on all of the open documents in Photoshop. So the only open documents I have is of the same room, so that's fine. But if I had other rooms as well, then it would also apply that color style to the other rooms. So if you do this, then make sure that it's the images that you want to target only. So now color matchup, and it's going to apply the same color style to all of the images, and let's see how it looks. So there's the one, there's the other, there's that one. As you can see, it looks very close to each other. So that kind of helps you when you have different angles but the same room. So I think this will save you. It's also saved as a new. It's applied as a new layer. So you can delete this layer, or you can adjust the fill. So you don't have to keep the color if you don't like it. You can adjust the fill, or you can just delete it. Um, yeah, so that's it basically for these tools. It's simple to use. Let me know if it helps you guys. Cheers.